Diretsahang inamin ng award-winning actress na si Snooki Cerna na yumabang at lumaki ang ulo niya sa kasagsagan ng kanyang kasikatan sa showbiz. Nagsimula si Snooki sa pagiging child star sa edad na 3. Bumida siya sa pelikulang Wanted, Perfect Mother, 1970, kung saan nanalo siya ng Best Child Actress Award. At mula noon ay nagtuloy-piloy na ang kanyang showbiz career at makaraan ng ilang dekada ay nananatili pa rin siyang aktibo sa industriya. Sa guesting ni Snooki sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, kamakailan ay natanong siya kung paano siya nabago ng showbiz industry. At the peak, Cookie, and let's just go back a little bit, yumabang ka? Ang question ni Tito Boy. Tugon ni Snooki, yes. Hay naka Tito Boy, for a long time talagang it got into my head. Delusionally, I thought that akala ko para bang I was just fighting for my rights. Ako ay isang pained artist and I was fighting the system. Ngulit sa kabila ng lahat ng kanyang pinagdaanan, feeling thankful and grateful pa rin ang actress dahil hindi hinayaan ni Lord na tuluyang masira ang kanyang buhay. Isa raw sa realization niya that time that anytime he can just take it all away. The oxygen in my lungs, everything around me, it's all temporal, temporary, so I have nothing to boast about. I am very, very grateful that after all the things, the crap that I put myself through, it's not anyone's fault. It's my fault. It's my own doing, wala akong ibang sinisisi, kundi ang sarili ko. Buo pa rin ako, somehow, nandito pa rin ako, Tito Boy. I'm still standing. I'm still talking to you, Tito Boy. And it's all in God's good grace. Aniya pa. Nahirapan si Snooki na sagutin ang tanong kung kailan siya dinurog ng industriya. It was not a conscious effort to destroy me. If any, ako ang sumira sa sarili ko ng mga panahon na ako'y durog at basag at talagang hindi na malaman kung saan pupulutin. Muling binanggit ng veteran actress ng kanyang pananampalataya sa Panginoon. I would like to take the opportunity to give a living testimony that God, only God, made me whole again. Not anyone, not the industry, but it was all in God's good grace, and it's still on God's good grace that I am being made whole again. Lahad pa ni Snooki.